Hey, hope all is well. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. After I've been using this device now for probably a little bit under a year. So about 8 months back, I did actually take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. I've been using it off and on as my daily driver, along with the Google Pixel Fold right here, which was actually on the charger. So I've been kind of going back and forth between these two. And I definitely think that this one is a really good standout phone. It has so many cool features that come packed with it that make it like a really nice device to use. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, do me a solid. Make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. We're going to go through all the changes, but you can see right here, it does say the Galaxy AI is here, unleash new ways to create and connect and more. Galaxy AI lets you search and summarize, edit and organize, and even create something completely new that's unique to you. The Galaxy is now more powerful than ever, so you can go here and see all the changes. So this is all the changes in the AI. You can see how long this list is. Pretty crazy. Let's open up the phone so we can actually view that content a little bit better. All right, so the AI basically includes search instantly for anything on your screen with the circle to search. So you get the circle to search, you get translate calls in real time, translate in-person conversation. So this is crazy that you don't need to speak the same language as someone. It says right here, live translate provides real-time translation during calls, and the other person on the call can hear what you say in their language and can hear their responses in your language. So translations will appear on the screen. So this is pretty crazy. And then they also have translate in-person conversations, translate in text and signs and documents, summarize web pages, smarter notes, completely transcribe voice recordings automatically, do more with the keyboard. So yeah, this is good stuff right here with this update. Like I was saying, this is going to be really good for the Z Fold5. Amount of improvements on this software update is going to be pretty crazy. So let's go into it right now and hit download. And one thing I like about these updates is they don't take too long on the Samsung phones, but I'm going to pause the video. So make sure you stay locked in. If you're still here, just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. Okay. So yeah, this update is downloading pretty quickly. You can see right here, it says March patch, security level, March 1st, 2024. But I am on March right now. You can go into which apps you do want to, download and update right here. Choose which apps you want to download and update. All the changes are basically here on this list. You can see the S Pen does give you that scrolling, that quick scrolling, which looks really smooth on the 120 hertz refresh rate. So it's just a really nice experience when it comes to using the S Pen for scrolling and stuff like that. I could even scroll back up, I think, but it's very functional when it comes to it. And then you can see it's already ready to download and install right now. So let's go ahead and hit the button right here, and it's going to be welcoming us to the Samsung Galaxy One UI 6.1. So yeah, so this thing is basically getting reset right now. I'm gonna pause the video one more time, but you can see it's booting back up. Samsung Galaxy Knox, powered by Android. And then here goes the downloading process. So I'm gonna check you guys in a second. Alright guys, so the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 right now just booted back up. It reset. So it looks like it's about to come back on. So yeah, the phone is booted back up, and so basically I'm gonna kind of see what's going on here. We're gonna put our pin in after the load up. And yeah, so the concept of AI on smartphones has been a popular thing for quite some time now. They've been doing it with the cameras for a long time. Especially Google has been doing a lot of good AI. So you can see right here it says welcome to One UI 6.1. You get the most out of your Galaxy with advanced intelligent features. So you can go to the home screen or you can explore, and so it goes through some of the intelligent features so you can get the most out of your phone with these powerful tools. So real-time translate is also now offered on here. You're also going to get Samsung keyboard changes the tone of your writing. So it can change the tone of your writing, get speller and grammar suggestions, translate messages in chat and messages in select chat and text messaging apps. You also do get live and translation of spoken conversations as a voice or text input. And then you have some other features here that I want to kind of walk through. So you have unleash the productivity in the notes, automatically format and summarize, correct and translate, generate covers for your notes. You get your voice recordings, also the let's hit next, and it goes through some of the policies here with the Samsung accounts, and then it basically tells you you're all set up. So it says see what's new, explore your Galaxy with the new advanced intelligent features and more in settings, and go to the tips and guides section to check it out. So here is your basic format right here. You could see everything still looks very similar. You get your decks on here for using this on a monitor or a TV or whatever you want to connect it to wirelessly, which is going to add an extremely great amount of productivity, turning it immediately into a laptop. You also do have, the only thing this thing doesn't really have on here is the IR blaster, but it has, really good audio quality coming from the speakers. The interpreter app is now right here inside of the thing right here. So you can now just click that, and interpreter uses permissions. So now you can basically you take advantage of this app built right in, and you can also download Spanish right here from Spain. Let's go ahead and download that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Automatically, I noticed that you do get your performance profile mode here, which I'm not sure if I think this is kind of new. I know this has been there already. So the performance profiler. Let's keep going, see if there's anything else that we could spot. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything, but you do get your call interpreter, live transcript, stuff like that. It's going to be very helpful with the AI technology on here. Let's go here to edit and see if there's anything that I'm missing. Everything, you get your TV remote. So wait, hold up. Don't tell me they added the AR blaster on here. So I'm going to go back, and I'm kind of hyped right now. IR blaster on here. Hold on. Because it says TV remote. So I'm a little lost right now as far as to what that actually means. Let me see. Let me go back in here. Click that. So I did put it there. It's right there. Let's see if I can find it on my drop down settings. TV remote disconnected. So you allowed Google TV to find and connect and determine your positioning. So it basically says you to connect via to your tablet TV connected at the same time. Make sure, and then, so you could basically use this thing as a TV remote when you connect all of your gadgets. I think that's something that's new on this device as well. So just a lot of nice features on here. Everything seems to be still buttery smooth. As far as the settings, let's go in here. You get your themes, which you can go to the Galaxy store to change up. If you do so please, wallpaper style, you could easily change up the colors, mix it up a little bit. So you get your wallpaper colors and then your basic colors. So, you know, not too many to choose from. I think Google has a lot more to choose from. I'm not really feeling this like lavender color at all. So and then this pink one. Let's go with the green. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this quick update on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. After installing it, the phone does feel very, very smooth. Let's go into some of the software on here, and it is telling me that there is a security patch now available for April 1st, which we can now download. And so we will get stability and bug fixes right after the One UI 6.1 update. You're still getting the April 1st security update on here too. So this is also going to give you new and enhanced features and fix bugs and things like that. So let's go ahead and install this now. But I just wanted to show you this quick video so you can go ahead and update your Galaxy Z Fold5 as well. I just installed these two updates that I definitely think you should check out if you want to keep enhancing some of the features that you have to offer on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. But for now, I'm going to check you guys later. I'm going to get right back with you in the comment section. So make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. And if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. Okay? Later, crew. Peace.